Hi, what is up? We're going to be looking at World of Warcraft Legion, which is the newest expansion pack to come out on World of Warcraft so far. This is a really good game. The game is rated T14s as shown in the corner of the box. With this product review, we're just going to be looking at what comes inside the box. We're not going to be reviewing the game itself due to that being a completely different review. So here we can open this up. As you see, it has a lot of really detailed, cool art. Really enjoy that. It's a really nice game. And actually put to the test on the computer. Really superb. Has been going on for quite a while now. So let's get right into this box. So here comes with several things. First off, we do have a notepad with the characters on it on every page. Really useful notepad. I use mine. This is mine. I use it a lot. There's so many pages. It feels like I haven't even used any, but I burned through this. Next up, we have the actual digital game key, which really, it gives you the game. It tells you, it lists all the instructions, anything you need help, making an account, and what you need to get before this game. And that's it. Here we have the actual CD of Legion. No one really uses this too much to download. Mostly you can just download this online and it will work perfectly fine. Really cool. This comes in every World of Warcraft package. It's the disc for you to download just in case. Next up, we do have some discount codes. Here's a 20% off discount code that it comes with. But here we do have the 20% discount for the Blizzard gear. So here we do have free hero Jaina that does come with this. Here it has the code. I blurred it out. And how to use it. This is for another Blizzard game. And it comes with, I believe, 2 guest passes. Is it 2 guest? No, 1 guest pass and 1 Hearthstone card pack for free. So this is for your friends. If you have a friend that you want to get to start playing WoW, this would be the best option. You just give them this, they type in that code, and this is for a different Blizzard game. It is Hearthstone, a card game. And that's it. That's what comes in the World of Warcraft Legion box.